In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Strava Fitness app. We'll walk through the essentials so you can start logging workouts, tracking progress, and staying motivated. When you open Strava, you'll notice a clean layout with a record screen for starting activities, a feed where you see your workouts and those from people you follow, and a profile area that highlights your stats and history. Start by creating an account. Download Strava from the Play Store or App Store, then sign up using email, Google, or Apple. Set up your profile with a name, a photo if you like, and choose your preferred sports such as running or cycling. This helps tailor what you see and how your activities are labeled. To record an activity, tap the circular record button at the bottom. Select the activity type, like run, ride, or walk, and then tap Start. Strava uses your phone's GPS to track your movement. When you're done, tap Stop and then Save. Your activity will automatically include distance, total time, pace or speed, and a map of your route, which makes it easy to review performance at a glance. Next, check out the activity feed. This is where your saved workouts appear alongside posts from friends and athletes you follow. You can give kudos, which are essentially likes, and leave comments. Following others adds accountability and can be a great source of inspiration. Strava's segments and leaderboards are where things get competitive. Segments are popular stretches of road or trail created by the community. When your route overlaps a segment, Strava compares your time to past efforts and to others. Top rankings include KOM for King of the Mountain or CR for course record. Even if you're not chasing the top spot, segments are perfect for tracking progress on familiar routes. To monitor your overall fitness, head to your profile. Here you'll find weekly distance totals, personal records, and a training history that shows how consistent you've been over time. It's an easy way to spot trends and celebrate milestones. Boost motivation by joining challenges and clubs. Monthly challenges like running a set number of kilometers provide clear targets. Clubs connect you with local communities or shared interests so you can compare efforts and stay accountable. If you have compatible devices, you can pair a smartwatch such as a Garmin or Apple Watch and connect a heart rate monitor for richer data. Finally, review your privacy settings. Decide who can see your activities and use the option to hide your home or start location for safety. Quick tips before you go. Ensure GPS is on for accurate tracking, add photos and captions after workouts to tell the story of your effort, and explore the routes feature to discover new places to train.